I note from the case management form that the defendant claims not to have been dishonest on the basis he merely walked out of the shop forgetting that he had a bottle of whisky in his pocket that he hadn't paid for.
That's correct, ma'am.
Mr Hucknall, I also note from his record that the defendant has a number of recent convictions for theft.
That's right, ma'am. In fact, he has 24 previous convictions over the last 5 years for stealing from shops, and I'm told by the police that the majority of those convictions reflect him stealing alcohol from shops.
Well, Mr Edwards, it would seem inevitable then that a bad character application will be made, and it also seems likely, given your client's recent convictions, that those convictions will be deemed admissible. Do you agree in principle with that?
Ma'am, I would concede that at first glance it would seem like an uphill struggle to persuade the court to exclude them. However, I would obviously like to consider any application by the Crown in due course for inclusion.
Miss Bardell, am I right in thinking that the court can allow an oral application for bad character?
That's correct, ma'am.
Well, Mr Hucknall, do you wish to make such an application today?
Well, I hadn't really considered it, ma'am, but all those convictions since 2005 do seem to be highly relevant, and I would ask that they be admitted pursuant to Section 101(1)(d) of the Criminal Justice Act 2003.
Well, in which case I will allow the application to be made orally today, and I suggest that both the application and any application by the defence to exclude be dealt with at the trial when issues of relevance can be better assessed.
Thank you.